Okay, in this video I will share to you about how to make the door with another elements in SketchUp, and this is about the arc door. And first of all, we can make the line in here, or we can make the rotated rectangle, and we can click and drag to the another position. Okay, then now we can type 150 millimeter for making the wall. Okay, now we can make just symbol like 3.5 meter over there. Okay, then we can click and push these surfaces on the position in here. Okay, then we can make group, and after that now we can use the tape measure tool over there. We can use this one with any size and also any position in here. We can make the basic shape in here, and I will show you about the dimension. Okay, so this is the dimension of the door height over there, just like this. Okay, then now we can triple click and activate height rest of model, and now we can make the line and click from the position, and also this position. Then now we can make the 2-point arc in here. We can make the 2-point arc over there and make the 2-point arc over there in here. Okay, just like this. And after that now we can click the surfaces. Okay, we can click the surface and click push pull, and click the surface again and push it until the limit in here. Okay, and after that now we can triple click and click this line. Okay, we can click this line, okay, and we can select edit, copy, exit from the group, and just edit and just paste in place, so it would be paste in place the line. Okay, then now we can make the line and just click with with this position in here. Then now we can draw about the profile, but we can make the basic shape with the rectangle or with using the line in here. Okay, so we can make the another variation in here. Okay, we can make the variation of the profile just like this, and okay, now we can make the variation of the profile just like this. Now we can erase some unnecessary line and erase some unnecessary line in here. So we just make it the profile, and we can make the 2-point arc in here. Okay, we can make the 2-point arc in here, and then now we can click this line, click this arc line. Okay, and select the follow me. Okay, and just click this one. Okay, and it should be like this. It should be a profile or architrave in here. Okay, and after that now we can also select the wood materials. Okay, just like this, and now we can assign this one with using the wood with the wood materials over there. Okay, just like this. So this is the basic door opening in here, and then now we can triple click. Okay, we can click this line, Okay, we can click this line. Okay, and select edit, copy, exit from the group, and now edit and just paste in place. Okay, then now we can make the line, and we can connect the unconnected line over there, and now we can select push pull, type 50 millimeter for the door thickness. Now we can make group. Okay, and assign about the materials in here. Okay, and I will right click and make component, and then just create. Okay, now we can click and select move and tap control and just place to the position in here, and I will give the decoration. We can click the surface and select the offset tool and click the edge. Okay, we can see. Okay, we can click the edge, offset it inside around 100 millimeter in here, and let's click and offset it inside around 20 millimeter. Okay, and now we can again offset it inside like 250 millimeter in here, and just click and offset it inside like 20 millimeter in here. Okay, then now we can click the surface and select a push pull and push it to the front a little bit like a 50 millimeter, and also this one like a 50 millimeter in here. Okay, and it's done. So if we modify on that position, so it could be automatically modify this one. Okay, so I will click and right click and also make component, and then just create, and then now we can select a move and just place to the position in here. Okay, so this is about the frame, this is about the architrave in here. Okay, this is about the architrave, and this is about the door left in here. And after that, now we can make the another decoration of the door. Okay, we can make the another decoration, and maybe we can make the rectangle in here and make this one, and we can just push it until to the position in here, and then now we can just offset it inside in here. Okay, then now we can make the diagonal, make the diagonal in here. Okay, and just offset it inside like 5 millimeter in here. Just click 5 millimeter and just click this one. Sorry, we can dip it. We can type 5 millimeter in here, and again, okay, we can click and offset it inside. Sorry, we have to offset. We can erase some unnecessary line over there. Okay, we can click. Okay, now we can push it to the behind. Okay, then now we can triple click, right click, and also make component and just create. Okay, then now we can make the materials. We can assign about the materials in here. Then now we can select a move, type control, and just place type X 30. Okay, then now we can erase some unnecessary object in here. We can erase this one. So we have this one, and maybe we can make it more. Okay, we can make it more perfect position in here. You can just move this one only, this area only. Drag from the top left and hold the left click to be a right bottom, and we can and then we can release the click in here, so it will be selected on this area only, so we can easily to move up and down. Okay, or we can easily to move it left or right like this. So this is about the technique for the 3D modeling in here. Then now we can click this one and select the offset tool and offset it inside a little bit in here, and just push it until to the position in here, just like this. Okay, so this is the ornament, and then we can also make the handle. We can make the door handle. We can choose the rectangle in here and just click and push it to the another position over there, and then we can click this one, and okay, we can make the curve in here to make the relate, positioning, relate concept. Okay, we can click this one, and also click and offset it inside and push it until the limit, and double click, right click, and also make component. Okay, then now we can assign about the color with the dark color in here. Okay, and then now we can click and select move, tap control, and move it to the behind in here. Right, we can flip with the green. Okay, we can just move in here. Okay, just like this, and okay, we can also select this one. We can select this object only, but we unselect this one, and we can edit, cut. Okay, we can double click and enter the group, and we can select edit and just paste in place in here. Okay, it's like this. Then now we can okay, we can erase this one. Okay, now we can click and we can select a move, tap control, and just place. We can flip with the green. we can flip with the green and make sure that it's connected well in here. And okay, we can now edit and edit cut. Okay, we can enter this component and just edit and just paste in place. Sorry. Okay, we can just like move, tap control. Okay, and we can right click and flip along with the green. Okay, and just place on the position in here, so it will be connected. This is unity. This is unity of the drawer in here. So we can also erase this one, and we can right click and also make group and just move and tap control and just place on the position in here. Okay, and maybe we can make it more thickness. Okay, and we can just like move and tap control in here. Okay, we can right click and flip along with the green. Okay, and we can move on the position in here. Okay, just like this. And now we can make another wall. We can use the brick or use this wall in here, or we can make appropriate position, or we can adjust this scale. We can type 500 maybe. Okay, just like this. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit of you, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you very much.